Hello guys, welcome to this new another video. Today we have a Dell laptop and we need to replace the internal battery of this laptop. First I will show you what model of this laptop is. Dell Latitude 5480 laptop, and then we will check what is the problem of this laptop. Let's power on. It's already plugged in and I will show you. Now it is turned on. We will go to check the battery status in the BIOS. So look at this. It says no installed, battery not installed, and the AC adapter is already plugged in. So the reason of this not installed is the battery has been dead and we need to install a new battery. So let's power it off. Unplug this AC adapter and flip. So this laptop has the internal battery, so we need to unscrew all these screws and open this bottom cover. So I have already unscrewed these screws to save time. Maybe one or two screws are fastened. So let's try to open this cover. Okay, okay, this is the cover. Now look at this. This is the internal battery of this laptop. Most of the Dell batteries of up generation have internal battery, and I will show you the battery condition. So let's see if there is a screw of this. Yes, here's a screw. Okay. Now we need to remove this battery first. First I will show you, it has a battery connection cable to motherboard. Just pull it and just very safely pull this connector from battery. Look at this. Okay, now see, this battery is swelled and this battery is dead. Throw it away, and we have already got the new battery from market. Okay, now you will see this battery is small and the new battery is larger one. So we have ordered the battery with more cells, big cells, so we have the backup, more backup, and this battery also fits inside this laptop, but this way. So what we have to do is first we need to connect this connector. Okay, for that we need to connect this way. Okay, now the connector is fit, and now we need to fix this cable inside this way. Okay, now we need to fit this battery into its actual compartment. Okay, got it. So let's okay, I think this screw cannot be taken from the battery, so we will install a new screw. I'll find a screw. So now we have installed this new battery. Now we have to check this battery, if this battery is connected successfully, and if the laptop detects the battery. Just put on this bottom cover. Okay, we will add the screws later. Okay, now we need to connect this adapter. Okay, now we have got a charging light. Okay, let's turn it on. We'll check in the BIOS. Okay, let's go to BIOS setup. Okay, battery information. So see guys, battery health is excellent and it's charging, and the charging is already 62% and the battery health is excellent. So our new battery has worked perfectly. So this was the whole procedure for replacing this laptop's battery. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video useful, like it and share it. Thank you.